you dealing with hair fall after combing your hair? Want to discover a magical oil that can keep your hair firmly rooted? Did you know that a simple remedy can work wonders for your hair? Curious about how to make this magical herbal hair growth oil? Keep on watching. As you guys already know, I lost my edges 4 months ago. After about 4 months, as at the time that I'm making this video, I grew back my hair. If I can do it, you too can. Have you been bored? Have you been trying to grow back your hair? All you just need is just a powerful hair growth oil, and then you need a good technique, that is scalp massage, and you will grow it back. Today's video will help you grow back your bald spots. The most difficult thing to do is to grow back lost edges. In hair care, the most difficult thing to do is to grow back lost edges. On today's video, you are to learn how to grow back your bald spots with this simple hair growth oil, this simple remedy that I'm about to show you on today's video. Our first ingredient is cloves. I'm making use of cloves buds. If you have the powder, please feel free to use it. Our second ingredient is dry rosemary leaves, and I'm going to be making use of that in 1 tablespoon as well. For my third ingredient, I have hibiscus flowers. These are the dried version. We are going to be using that in 3 hibiscus flower. 3 flowers are just okay because you don't want to do too much of that. 3 is perfect for the proportion that we are making. Moving on to the next ingredient, I'm going to be using about 3 leaves of bay leaves. Moving on to the next ingredient, we are going to be using some moringa powder. We are going to be using the moringa powder in 1 tablespoon. Please, if you have all the ingredients in powdered form, please feel free to use them. There is one particular ingredient that I never mentioned, and I did not show it simply because I forgot, and that is garlic. I used about 3 cloves of garlic for this recipe. Just in case I forget, I used garlic as well. Garlic made it the 6th ingredient. So moving on, for our carrier oil of choice, we are going to be using olive oil as our carrier oil. First off, grab a bowl like so. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. Now use about 250 ml worth to measure out your olive oil. This is about a cup. You can use a cup, or you measure out 250 ml worth of your olive oil. Please, you are not restricted to using only olive oil. If you have coconut oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, or even palm kernel oil, any of the carrier oil out there that you can lay your hands on, feel free to use it, provided you are not using groundnut oil. Use natural oil for hair and for formulation. So I blended all my ingredients, and this is what I have. As you can see, I still have the garlic cloves in my blended herbs, and I transferred everything into the oil that I already poured in the bowl. Next, stir all to combine. Stir vigorously. Make sure that there are no lumps, because the garlic can actually make it to be lumpy. So you have to stir this to make sure that all the benefits are embedded in the oil. Next, set up a double boiler method. DIY double boiler method. Basically, pour some water in your pot, bring to a boil, and then transfer this to it. Leave it on your stove for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's 20 minutes mark, bring this down and allow to cool down completely before you strain. For my straining, I'm going to be using a clean bowl and a strainer. Here is my tip to you: always massage your scalp with this oil, both in the morning and in the night. In the morning, you can apply this oil, but at night only massage. Do not apply the oil twice a day. Just apply the oil once a day sparingly. A little goes a long way. And then massage. The massage is the key. The technique is the key, which is the scalp massage. Very important. If you must see hair growth, if you must see your hair grow, if you must see your edges sprout new growth, you have to really massage your scalp, and you have to be religious about it. It is one thing to make hair growth oil, and it's another thing to be serious about it. That you're making hair growth oil that we are sharing on this channel day in day out, and you're not seeing results, sis, you're supposed to be flogged. The recipes that we share on this channel are the bomb, because we see a lot of feedbacks in the comments. If you read comments on most of our videos, you will see a lot of people sharing good news about the recipes shared on this channel. You have to be serious about it, because if you're serious about it, you definitely see results. For this oil, you're to apply it on your problem areas. You can see my scalp massager. I don't joke with it. It does the magic for me. It does the work for me. In case my phalanges hurt, I use my massager. Very, very important. All I just do is to apply the product on my problem areas on my scalp, and then I massage. The massage is the key. It's not just about applying oil on your hair. What work are you putting in to make sure that this product works for you? So you just have to massage your scalp, because it stimulates the blood around your skull that enhances hair growth. So all you need to do is just to massage your scalp. Apply the product and then massage your scalp. That you're not seeing result is because you're lazy. You have to massage your scalp daily, especially on your problem areas. If you're bald, if you really want to grow out your hair on bald spots, you have to be ready to massage your scalp. It is not for the faint-hearted. It is not for the weak. So you have to put in the work if you want to see hair growing on your head. If you want your hair to be thick, make scalp massaging your priority. You can use this oil on your scalp, on your problem areas. You can use it on your hair shaft to seal in moisture. You can use it as your pre-poo. You can add it to your deep conditioners, your leave-in conditioners. You can use it for your hot oil treatment. Please do not use this oil for babies. Only use it from 2 years old and above. Do not use it for babies. Adults from 60 something years can use this, because I know some of you always ask me this every time. 60 years, 70 years, 80 years, age is not a barrier. The only people that are exempted from using this oil are babies under 2 years of age. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry for the noise you're hearing in the background. That's the struggles I go through just to put out content out there. Thank you for watching.